Nissan unveiled its concept Allure Wednesday. The four-door, four-seater is an attempt to breathe new life into the dowdy sedan segment. It specifically targets professional women. In development for a year, the Allure exterior is a sophisticated and subtle mix of geometric and flowing lines. Playing on Nissan's Japanese heritage, the front grille is angular in shape to mimic a warrior's vest. Some of the flowing design is to improve aerodynamics. The powertrain is a hybrid. Specifics aren't being disclosed, but it's designed to forward battery advancements pioneered with the plug-in electric Leaf. The front interior is professional while the back is a lounge. Interior mood lighting switches from white during the day to out on the town red at night. Nissan anticipates two models will incorporate Allure features in the future.